Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a cool Unity project I've been working on. It's a tile-based grid system with animations, timer, and sound effects. Let me walk you through it. This project allows you to generate and animate patterns on a grid of tiles. You can control the speed of the animations, create random or similar patterns, and even see a timer countdown while the patterns are being generated. It's a great way to visualize different movement patterns, and it's all done using Unity's UI and C# scripting. Let me quickly explain how it works behind the scenes. The grid is created using a prefab of tiles. When you click Generate, it starts a random pattern animation where the tiles move left, right, or up. The speed of the animation can be controlled using a slider, and you can even generate similar patterns based on the last movement. It also has a countdown timer that starts once you click Generate and gives you a visual of the time remaining. If you like this project and want to dive deeper into it, I've added a link to the full code.